Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove your Viber lock screen code on your PC. So let's get started. First, launch your Viber app on your PC. Then go to your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. A new menu will appear. Here you can see setting option. Simply click on it. After that, you go to privacy and security. Here you can see Viber screen lock. You can turn off Viber lock screen here. Turn off the button and enter your Viber lock screen code. And the final step, click on done option here. And here you go, simple and easy. You have successfully removed your Viber lock screen code. If you have any queries or you are facing some problem, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.